No, we don't. Thank you. Sales call. Oh, let me submit. Like, what am I doing? Okay, I got 20 out of 21.
Oh, awesome.
So which one did I got question 5 wrong, and I always get stuff like that wrong.
Oh, which one did you put on 5?
I put P1 equals P2 and HA P hat 1 is not equal to P hat. I don't know why I did that. I don't.
Yeah, because they have to be the same P's.
Yeah, so I think it's the first one.
Yeah, it is.
So I don't know why I did that. So, but that's the only one I got wrong.
Cool.
Good job.
So, well, this Excel makes it so much easier.
Yeah, it does. I just got
So
thrown
which
off
ones
by
are you having problems with then?
the point estimate and the margin of error is my issue, but I think I figured that out now. So I think I'm okay.
I wrote that down in my notes.
Should we go through them for you, Linda? Because I know you had a few.
Yeah.
Just the up through 9 is I messed all those up, and then from 10 on I got them all right.
Okay.
So I don't know what I did wrong.
So do you know?
Did you get 3 wrong?
Yeah, the data in the table to find P1.
So on my, because I'm using the 2 proportion test. So X1 would be 52. And then N would be 70. X2 is 42 and N2 is 59.
So you divide those.
Well, do you have your Excel open?
I didn't put it into Excel.
Oh, okay. Because I just put that into Excel because P hat for P1 is 0.743.
So when you divide those two numbers, you should get the 0.743, the 52 by 70.
Okay.
And then P hat 2 is 0.712.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then 5, we just went over. That's A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then 6, that's the one we just did, which is
we did 6 and 7.
Yeah.
So then 8 is that lower confidence is negative 0.123, and then 9 is 0.185.
Mm-hmm.
All righty. And then and I'll go back and put it in Excel and work through it. The rest I got right somehow.
So how did you get? Hold on. Oh, okay. So did you do the Z-score and all that by hand then?
I did, yeah.
Oh, wow.
But you know, I was going to put it in Excel, and then I thought, well, I went ahead and just tried it with doing it by hand, so I knew how to do it. And I got those. It's a long process.
Yeah, it really is.
So it's nice we can just put it in Excel.
Yes. So what I did on my Excel spreadsheet on the side was I did the formula for the margin of error and the point estimate. So that way, whenever it asks for it, it automatically calculates it on the spreadsheet for me.
Oh, smart.
Mm-hmm.
What were you saying, Jen?
So on the Excel spreadsheet, when it asks for the point estimate and the margin of error, I just put the formula in there. So that way it'll automatically connect to the numbers in the spreadsheet. So I don't have to calculate it. It'll just pop up for me.
Ooh, where'd you do that?
Just on the same spreadsheet, just on the side.
Oh.
She put
Mhm.
the equation in a
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
cell.
because I was like, I'm just gonna do this because then I don't have to worry about it, and then I know it's gonna be there.
Yeah, which they should just include that anyway.
They should, but
Because point estimate is P1, P hat 1 minus P2,
Mhm.
right?
Yep. Then the margin of error is the upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2.
Minus.
Then I just wrote next to them what they were, so that way I knew, and I'm good to go.
And it was, what did you get for 6?
0.031.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I got. I'm just making sure my calculation's right. And then
Mhm.
confidence, the next one is confidence interval?
No, the margin of error.
Oh, yeah, margin of error. That's a good idea.
That way you have it, and you don't have to, stress.
And try and remember how to figure it out.
Exactly. Now that I did it. Okay, so did you guys read the email from her this morning?
Yeah, that's what I was saying as soon as I
Oh,
froze.
I did not get to my email yet, so I have not read it.
She wants to know, let me pull it. I have it right here so I can pull it up.
yeah.
I did have it. Oh, here it is. So she wants to know a little bit more on how you plan to take your random sample before I can approve step 9.
And that's kind of what, Jennifer, you and I were talking about.
I don't remember how I worded it. Maybe I need to, I don't know. I was going to look that up right now. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, actually.
That's such a good idea to put that point estimate and margin of error on that file.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
So are we just randomly picking,
Yeah.
how many days are we picking again? Let me open up the,
What number? Oh. In specific detail, right? How we'll be collecting our sample.
yeah.
So I put, in order to do our study, we will be collecting the weather data for our cities. The data collected will be from a random selection of 5 years for the month of June. Each city will have a random sample of the daily high temperatures for a total of 30 days taken from 5 years in June.
So I still wonder if she wants us to pick a 5-year period so we're taking our samples from the same 5 years.
Oh, yeah. Do we want like the last 5 years? So do we want like 2016 through 2011 through 2016?
We can do that.
I guess that would be 11, 12, 13, 14. So it'd be 2012 through 2016 because 2012, 2013,
Do you
14.
think that's what she wants? Kelsey, do you think she wants us to be specific and pick from the same 5 years?
I think she does.
Go. We can't do 2016 because it's not over yet.
Well, no, it's 2017.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
So we
So
can,
we
The
need
numbers
5,
are all mixing.
12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 2012 to 2016. Does she want to know? I don't know.
And then if we those 5 Junes, we have 150 days to pick from. If we each just picked 30 randomly from those, so our hypothesis would it have to say which city had the highest mean
No.
temperature
Um,
during those years, or just in general?
just that they're different. We're not saying that one is more than the
Oh,
other.
okay.
So there's 30 days in a month and there's 5 years. So it's 150 days, right?
Yeah. And we picked 30 of those.
150 days, like per city, I guess you could say.
Right.
Because then the total would be 450 days that we're picking from. 450 samples that we could choose from.
Well,
Total.
but we're comparing each city.
Yeah.
So I just put, so we will take samples from 2012 to 2016 for June. There will be a total of 150, there's 150 total days that we can choose from. But we'll be
Or 30
selecting
samples.
30 random days.
Let's see.
Okay, so I put, we will take samples from 2012 to 2016 for June. In that data, there will be 150 total days, and we will be choosing 30 days randomly for each city. Is that more specific?
I think that's more specific.
Okay. So I'm gonna submit that to her and see what she, I guess I'll just email it to her.
It's hard to.
I guess that's maybe what, I don't know. It was hard to figure out exactly what to get her. I have done this before.
Yeah, to know exactly what she wanted in there.
And I think it's kind of subjective.
Yeah.
You know?
And there wasn't, I don't think there was sufficient, I don't see any examples of what to kind of go by. I mean, there was a few questions, but it was just kind of hard to understand exactly what she's looking for. My daughter froze my computer up, so it's taking forever.
Mm.
Oh.
She threw her phone in the toilet, so she doesn't have one. So now she's using the computer. She's like, but we have a plan. I'm like, but it doesn't cover a phone. And she's like, but it's a plan. I'm like, it's not free. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, my daughter lost hers in the toilet a couple of times.
Oh gosh. It wouldn't be so bad if we were at home, but since we're out of town, she's not loving this. It's okay. Okay, well, I'll email her that to her whenever I get this computer to start working. And I'll copy all of you on that, and then we'll see what she says.
All righty.
I think that's it then, right?
Did you guys have any other questions or on the homework or?
I haven't started the homework yet.
Yeah, I have to get that too.
You didn't do the homework?
I haven't done it yet.
Okay, so the last 3 questions, I already took it once and I got a 50. I can't figure out 10 and 12. I was going to do that again, but I might wait. It's all about what tests you do for like this scenario, and those are totally confusing me.
Yeah, I have no idea how you pick unless they tell me in the question.
Well, and I would think that because of what we're learning, it would be the test that we're learning now. But no,
Yeah.
I'm totally confused.
Can you imagine what it's going to be like on the exam?
Oh
I
my
am-
gosh, I'm gonna go crazy. Hopefully she'll do another review. That really helped me last time where she went through all the different scenarios.
Yeah.
That helped.
Yeah. I did get a 79 on the homework quiz for 17. It only took me like 2 hours.
I
But
don't remember what I got.
I came up just like in the worst mood. My husband's like, I can't wait till this class is over for you.
Oh, just think we have 5 weeks and we're done.
I know.
Oh, we have this test and then we have one more.
Yeah, we have 4 total.
So is the
So the
last
next-
test chemo test? Or they're all like that, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So the next quiz is, I think she said Monday, June 26th.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. The review.
Oh, really? Crap.
Ah,
Oh, well.
I marked the wrong one on Axe. I got another 95% because I put question 10 in wrong.
Don't you hate that?
I did fail to reject HA instead of fail to reject HO. I don't know why I did that. I just wasn't thinking.
Mm.
Oh well.
All right. Well, then I will see you all on Thursday.
All right. Thanks,
Okay.
Jen, for typing all that up.
Oh,
Yes.
you're welcome. I just sent it to
appreciate
her
it.
in an email, so you're copied. So we'll see what her response is, and then we can go from there.
And once we get approved, we can get all that data and I'll set it
Mhm.
up in SPS and
Yep.
I'll be using that SPS handbook a lot.
Okay.
All right. We'll talk to you later.
Have a good week.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.